Hi guys, I'm Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be recreating a celebrity look. So before I tell y'all which celebrity look I'll be recreating, I have a request for all of y'all. If you like the videos of this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on Instagram for more pictures and updates regarding my videos. So the look which I will be recreating is this look of Anushka Sharma. I really love the simplicity of this look. And here Anushka Sharma is wearing a designer sari with a sleek hairstyle and a simple earrings. I really wanted to recreate this look long back. So I had this sari which my in-laws had gifted me during my wedding rituals. But obviously this is not a designer sari like Anushka. But this sari goes really well with the look which I am creating. And this sari had a similar kind of blouse what Anushka is wearing in this pic. So let me show you all how exactly the blouse looks. So this is the blouse with this kind of neck and it has the sleeves here, and the back has some nice button detailing. So this is how the blouse looks.
So let me tell you all about my makeup for this look. I will just tell you all about the eye makeup I did here. Here I'm using a colossal kajal and applied it as a liner and below the eyes and started blending it nicely with a makeup brush. Actually, I'm not able to find the eyeshadow palette which I have, so I used the kajal instead. I'm not a pro in doing makeup, but I have learned few things seeing few YouTube videos, and this is how the eyes looked. I also applied a eyeliner to make the eye makeup stand out. And here I'm wearing this lipstick from Calabar. So coming to the hairstyle, I just partitioned my hair and tied it into a bun. I tried to get the hairstyle like Anushka, but I'm not sure how similar it looks. Do let me know about your thoughts on my makeup and hairstyle in the comment section below. I just tied my hair using a rubber band and adjusted my hair accordingly. So finally, this is how it looked. So coming to the blouse, this is how it looks. This is how exactly I had told my tailor to stitch it. And if you are in and around Bangalore, you can contact him if you want to stitch any kind of blouse and dresses. Do let me know how you feel about this celebrity look recreation in the comment section below. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more pictures and updates regarding my videos. I applied a simple plain bindi. wore these heavy gold jhumkis. These jhumkis goes really well with this sari as there is gold sequence work at the border of the sari. I got these jhumkis from Jayanagar local street shopping, and this is how it looked.
Hope you guys like this video and do try creating this look, and you can tag me on Instagram. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.